Hi, my name is Winston Low. I originally come from Borneo. Love hiking and climbing. I've done bigger peak than this, but I look out online and found Mike Hamill. Mike resume is daunting. I mean, he's climbed pretty much everything on earth they can name. When I look at it, I thought, oh, geez, the guy is serious. Do I want that guy that serious? But then when I turn up, he's just a really nice guy. Didn't even mention anything about he's a climber. He just answer any question you ask. Really humble, really nice. Yeah, glad to know him. Good bloke. Yankee.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Although Yankee turned Aussie.
Turned Aussie. How's his cooking?
Pretty good. I mean, I'm surprised we get like a fresh meal every day, you know? Fresh pasta, fresh salmon. Hear this out. I thought I was legging something heavy on the way. There was salmon in my bag. Anyway, it was good. Yeah. Awesome meal. Yeah. Looking forward to dinner tonight, actually. Yeah.